Okay, in this video, we're gonna bring in a background image and lock it. It's gonna be easy. Let's go do it. Okay, so weird feature of After Effects. We talked about it before. If I make a new comp and I pick a color, okay, it doesn't really matter. When I export it, it goes black. It's just there as a backing color. Okay, so we're gonna turn ours back to black and click on it, go back to black. Okay, because that's most comps start life like. And if I want to put in a colored background, okay, we put in just a big rectangle. Now we could draw it, okay, but it's easier just to go to layer, new, and there's one called solid. Okay, click on solid. I'm gonna call this my background color. Okay, and it's gonna match the height and width of my video. Great, everything's perfect. Pick a color, okay, any color you like. Click OK. Now when I export it, it's going to be green in the background. What I want to do is not move it around, so I'm going to lock it. Awesome, that's how to put a background color in. So I'm going to bin that color. Sorry. Okay, we just made it, but we're going to bring in an image. So I'm going to double click anywhere in this gray area. Then I'm going to go to Infographic exercise files. I'm going to go to icon pop. It's the first one. There's one thing called background. Okay, we're going to bring it in, put it into my files. There it is, yep. Okay, and then I'm going to drag him onto here. Now he's too big. Okay, so you can, like a lot of programs, you can kind of zoom out. Okay, I'm using the wheel of my mouse, but you can use Command plus and minus if you're on a Mac, or Control plus and minus on a PC. What you'll find though is you can grab the edges and it's fine, but weirdly, that's true of lots of Adobe products, but down here, there's one in here called Transform and Scale. Okay, you can just drag it down. I don't know why, but it is easier, okay, to use these controls down the bottom here, especially when you get multiple layers. Okay, so I'm gonna twirl that back up to you. So I'm gonna lock that layer, boom, background image. I just dropped the lightness of this in Photoshop. We'll do it later on in After Effects ourselves using one of the effects. Easy, so we've got our background in. Next video, please.